Imagine two employees.
Can you pull up the Q3
Both start
financials?
work
I
at
need those
9
reports by
a.m.
noon.
Both have the same salary,
We're
same
still waiting on
education,
legal approval for the contract.
both have same experience, but one finishes work by 4 p.m., the other one finishes work by 9 p.m. Why? Because one of them has learned how to work with AI and the other hasn't. Today, I'll show you exactly how adults are using ChatGPT to save time, increase productivity, improve communication, and future proof their careers. Because whether you're a manager, a teacher, entrepreneur, HR, trainer, consultant, job seeker, ChatGPT may become the most valuable professional skill you will learn this decade. So most people think ChatGPT is chatbot. That's like saying a smartphone is just like a calculator. ChatGPT is actually a thinking partner, a research assistant, AI writing assistant, a brainstorming partner, a communication coach, a productivity tool, and in many cases, a second brain. People who think ChatGPT writes essay are actually 2 years behind. Professionals are using ChatGPT for or to save 2 to 4 hours daily, improve decision making, automate repetitive work, learn new skills faster, increase income. So let's look at some of the mistakes that people make. Most people open ChatGPT and type a prompt, write an email. Then they complain that ChatGPT isn't useful. The problem isn't ChatGPT. The problem is communication. It's a bad prompt to write an email. If you just write an email in the ChatGPT, you will not get good results. So good prompt. What is a good prompt? Example, or try this even now if you want. Write act as a senior corporate communication trainer. Write a professional email to a client who is unhappy about a delayed project. The tone should be empathetic, confident, and solution focused. Keep it under 150 words. Now you see the difference and the magic that ChatGPT will do. So professionals don't ask questions. They give instructions. For a better prompt, use this framework RTCF: role, task, context, and format. Example, role. Write act as a senior HR manager. Task, create interview questions. Context, for a customer service role. Format, table with questions and evaluation criteria. This one formula can improve your results dramatically. Let's look at ChatGPT for work. Example, you want to write an email. You could write an email professionally, right? While using ChatGPT. So you could type something like act as an executive assistant, rewrite this email professionally, and just copy the email draft. It will rewrite the entire email. For meetings, a prompt can be summarize these meeting notes into key actions. For reports, turn these bullet points into executive summary, right? You could use it for presentation as well. Prompt, create a 10-slide presentation outline on leadership role. You can use it for business analysis. A prompt can be analyze the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of my business. The highest performing professionals are no longer doing everything by themselves. They are delegating repetitive work to AI. Managers use ChatGPT too. They use it for, to create team goals, to prepare performance reports, handle difficult conversations, design training programs, improve leadership communication. For example, if I'm a leader, I would type act as a leadership coach. Help me give constructive feedback to an employee who consistently misses deadline. You will instantly receive multiple approaches. Use the one that fits the scenario. Job seekers, they can use ChatGPT for interviews, for resume. For example, uh, if you're working on the resume, you could type review my resume and suggest improvements for a project manager role. For interviews, you can type act as a hiring manager, conduct a mock interview, ask one question at a time, evaluate my answers. You will not believe you can use ChatGPT for LinkedIn as well. Can type in optimize my LinkedIn headline to attract recruiters. It will help you give you tips to optimize your LinkedIn. A candidate practicing AI for 30 days often performs significantly better in interviews than who doesn't. How about business owners? They use ChatGPT too and can use if they're not using. They can use ChatGPT for marketing, sales scripts, social media, customer service, market research. For example, let's use the prompt here. Act as a marketing strategist. Create a 30-day LinkedIn content plan for an English communication trainer. It gives you an instant strategy, right? For ChatGPT can be used basically for learning anything. The biggest advantage isn't productivity, is the learning speed. Type something like teach me financial literacy from beginner to advanced level. Create a 30-day roadmap. Or teach me digital marketing as if I'm a complete beginner. Or create a learning plan to become AI consultant. It gives you a lot of approaches that you could go with. In the AI age, learning speed becomes a competitive advantage. So let's be realistic, right? ChatGPT is powerful, but it's not perfect. It can make mistakes. It can hallucinate facts. It can miss context, can give you outdated information because it's data mining. So always verify information, use critical thinking, check important facts. AI should adjust your judgment, assist your judgment, not replace your judgment, right? Imagine 20 years ago, people who learned computer had an advantage. 10 years ago, people who learned smartphones had an advantage. If you're learning AI today, you're going to have advantage tomorrow. So the question is no longer will AI replace jobs? Question is, will people using AI outperform people who doesn't? And the answer is already becoming clear. So here, ChatGPT is not the future, okay? But the combination of human intelligence and AI is the future. People who learn this skill today will have opportunities that others may not. AI will not replace professionals, right? But AI effectively may replace professionals who doesn't learn AI. So comment below, what is one task you would love ChatGPT to do it for you every day? Could be email writing, presentation, learning, business growth, interview questions. Let's discuss those in comments. And if this video was helpful, if you think it's helpful for people who wants to learn AI and grow with AI, like it, comment, share with your friends and family. You're watching Language Nerds India. I'm Raj, and I will see you in the next video.